Welcome to Fresa Technologies blogs. We will be looking at how to close a job in Fresa application. In Fresa application, open documentation module, then select all jobs menu. You search the required job which you want to close. And click edit on the job. Now click change job status option. Here select the status as close. Here select the job close date and then click the show checklist button. Now you can see the system is showing voucher not yet posted. You have to clear this checklist and only the system will allow us to change the job status to close. Now we have to post the voucher. Click the change status, change the status to approved, and then to posted. Now let us change the status. Select the status as closed, and then select the job close date. Here you can see there is no remarks. Now we can change the job status to close, and then select the job close date. Now the job has been closed successfully. This is how to close a job in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.